Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's April 6, 2025, out here in the demolition of the collapse workshop here. We've made some pretty significant progress over the last 6 weeks, 7 weeks now. February 20th is when the building collapsed, when there had so much snow here. And so today we've had some really rainy weather. It looks like we're gonna have more rain this week as well. Today there's only a small chance of rain. I think like 15% chance of rain today. It was raining this morning, so hopefully that'll be it. It's going to be cool today. It's going to be a high of 40, I think, today, 40 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm trying to decide what to do. I'm sort of in a dilemma here. I need to get a dumpster. I'm running out of space, so I need to get one of those dumpsters in here so I can start loading materials in. I need to take some more photographs of all the things that are here and things that I moved out back. I was hoping that the contents adjuster would be here by now. I'll probably contact them tomorrow and Monday. But all this stuff, I'd have more room for getting a dumpster in here and getting the dumpsters loaded if I didn't have everything so consolidated here. So that's another thing I'm thinking about here, is trying to take more pictures. I've got things fairly well organized as far as what's what. Like, this is an aluminum area here. That's copper, that's steel, that's composite shingles, recyclable components there. Lots of broken, damaged stuff there I need to take pictures of. There are some 2x6s and 2x4s that could be potentially salvaged there, so I sort of put those in in that stack there. And then this pile has just gotten out of hand, so this one needs to go. And then we got bags of materials here, windows, more wire, all of our reef lighting systems all in here, power stations, various different chemicals and materials in here, overhead doors over there, the big beam there. I just got to figure out how I'm going to deal with this right now. I haven't decided. Computers over there, and I need to come in here and start peeling off more of the roof here as well. So I'm just not certain how I'm going to proceed today. Let me walk around here. Yeah, little buzz my mower there. It's pretty much crushed underneath there. And mini-me over there. I've got a lot of this stuff off of off the Hulk here, but there's still more I've got to get off of this. Lots of things are rather precarious the way that they're hanging here. And of course, one of the main goals is not to get injured. But I'm running out of space, so maybe that's the next best thing, is to, well, I definitely need to take pictures and consider consolidating. I hate moving materials several times, but I can definitely get the metal out back to my scrap metal area. I can do that. I just hate using up the rest of the pallets that I've got left to move some of those materials and all. But I guess that's, well, I'm undecided at this point. Maybe after breakfast I'll have a better idea which thing to tackle first. I just wish I had more room, but I ended up putting all this material because we still had several feet of snow here. So I ended up stacking everything on top of the snow when I first started the whole demo project. I mean, all of that stuff was on big snow banks there. So, don't know yet. Undecided. Lots of things to do. And I guess lots of time to do it. Okay, we'll let you know later on.
You've watched them struggle, you've seen their tears, you've felt the weight of their unspoken fears. But take a breath, hold on to hope. Together you'll find a way to cope. Their path might twist, their steps may stray, but your love will guide them every day. They're not broken, they're finding their way, with your light to show them a brighter day. Be their guiding light, their steady hand. Help them see the beauty in who they are. Show them strength, show them love, and remind them they're enough. Find the tools that help them grow. Celebrate the things they know. Read with patience, teach with care. Show them that you're always there. Their mind's a puzzle, a wondrous thing, full of colors and dreams that will take wing. It's not about fixing, it's about their spark that shines so brightly even in the dark. Be their guiding light, their steady hand. Help them see the beauty in who they are. Show them strength, show them love, and remind them they're enough. Every word they read, every line they write is a step toward the future. So hold on tight. Cheer for the progress, no matter how small. Together, you'll conquer it all. Be their guiding light, their steady hand. Help them see the beauty in who they are. Show them strength, show them love, and remind them they're enough. In your eyes they'll see belief, a source of comfort, a sweet relief. With your love they'll rise above, for your child is perfect and always enough.
Life is school, and the lessons are tough. The road is rocky, the climb is rough, but every fall is a chance to rise. Through the pain, we learn to realize. Face your fears, don't turn away. The dark of the night brings the brightest day. Every failure's just a teacher in disguise. Every tear's a step to open your eyes. Life is school, and the lessons are tough, but they're worth giving it your all, that's enough. Through the trials, the heartaches and strife, we grow stronger, it's the beauty of life. Pain's a companion that you can't ignore. It knocks you down, but it opens the door to strength, to wisdom, to lessons untold. Through the fire you're forged, you're bold. Don't fear the scars, let them light your way. They're proof you've lived, you fought every day. The battles we face, they shape who we are. each wound a map, every struggle a star. Life is school, and the lessons are tough, but they're worth giving it your all, that's enough. Through the trials, the heartaches and strife, we grow stronger, it's the beauty of life. The fears we face, they make us grow. The tears we cry, they help us know. Every ending is a brand new start. Every heartbreak mends a wiser heart. So embrace the pain, let it shape your soul. The harder the climb, the closer the goal. Life is teaching, so don't turn away. The lessons you learn will guide your way. Life is school, and the lessons are tough, but they're worth giving it your all, that's enough. Through the trials, the heartaches and strife, we grow stronger, it's the beauty of life. Life is school, and the lessons don't end. Every fall is a message, every wound will mend. Face your fears, learn from the pain. Through the storms we rise again. Life is school. Life is. Sit down, son, let me tell you a tale about this winding road, sometimes rough as nails. The world's gonna test you, knock you down hard, but you've got the strength, you've got the heart. Every choice you make, every path you take, it won't be easy, but it's yours to shape. Life is what you make it, so make it strong. Stand up tall, even when it feels wrong. Every storm will pass, every night turns light. Keep pushing forward, keep holding tight. I've seen hard times, I've walked through the rain, worked these hands till they knew the pain. But the sweat, the struggle, the lessons learned, built a fire inside that always burned. Every fall you take, every tear you cry, makes you stronger, boy, just keep your eyes high. Life is what you make it, so make it true. Give it your all, let the best in you shine through. Every dream you chase, every risk you take, it's in your hands, son, don't hesitate. One day you'll stand where I am now, looking back, wondering how. But you'll know deep down through the highs and lows, it was all worth it, every road. Life is what you make it, so make it count. Climb those mountains, rise above the doubt. Every storm will pass, every night turns light. Keep pushing forward, keep holding tight. So go on, son, go chase the sun. The fight ain't easy, but it's worth what you've won. Life is what you make it, so make it yours. Walk with courage, walk through those doors.
Well, I was able to get some more materials extracted from inside over there and remove a lot of the 2x8s and materials down in here. Made my way over in there. I'll show you that in a second. Got the 749 BCS tractor out. It's taken some significant damage. Cleaned up a lot of material in here. A lot more to be cleaned up. And let's go over here. I got the Hulk out, the Takeuchi TL12V2 track loader. Got more of the roof out. I strained my back some, so I'm a little sore right now. Really running out of room here. Got to do tight turning radius here. And I'm up to where Buzz is now. The ZD1211 here. So we will see if I can get some more of this out tomorrow, bit by bit. But just takes time to do this. Thank God for Elon, the excavator, to take this material here. The wall bracing's holding up okay. You can see it's actually in this section here. The wall isn't leaning against it anymore over there, so it's actually standing a bit straighter. But I got a little more to get here before I can get to the I got new doors in here that I still want to get out, and then I've got all of these materials here to get out. But hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to get Buzz out of here and clean up this material in here. Just a lot of time parting everything out here. The Hulk, I'm going to call it like a roll cage on top of the cab. That got bent up pretty bad, and hopefully it does. I didn't notice any glass breaks, so that's good. Hopefully it's watertight. Didn't want to start. Battery was dead, so I jumped it, and I've got it on charge out there by the Sugar Shack right now. So and it started picking up the wind here, but we are making progress bit by bit here. This LVL here, rather precarious here. It's being held back by these ones, but it's snapped off some of the ends here. You could see this is just torn right free right here. So got to be real careful as I'm working in here. I still got a lot more equipment to get out of there. It's amazing how much stuff you can pack into a building, especially when it comes winter time and you got to get your equipment in. So pretty happy with what I got done today. You know, it's stressful doing this, trying to minimize any damage to the equipment. So I think I'm doing pretty well with that, but it is a bit stressful, and I really am frustrated. I'm running out of space here, so I'm going to have to contact, I think it's King's. There's a couple of places that have the rubbish removal, so I'll have a big dumpster brought up, and then I could start loading it up. And boy, I've got to sort through a lot of stuff around here. So that's it for today's video, folks. Just one more day of hacking away here, seeing what we can do. Winds are kicking up, so I'll end this video now. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now.